Hello friends, welcome to Simple Life. In today's video, I'm going to share you one quick, easy and healthy milkshake, that is apple and dry fruit milkshake. So the ingredients are as follows: 2 tablespoons of honey, few dates, roughly chopped apple pieces, almond and cardamom powder. You can also use soaked almonds and dates if you don't like the crunchiness in your milkshake. We also required 1 glass of milk and few ice cubes. The quantity is for 2 glasses of milkshake. Next, we will put all the ingredients in the blender and give it a nice mix till we get a nice smooth milkshake. So here is our healthy and quick easy milkshake ready. So this is one of the best option for the one who don't like to eat fruits and dry fruits. So if you like my today's video, do let me know in the comment box below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.